Hi, this is Shakil Ahmed. In this tutorial, I will discuss about uh, checking for missing values and counting missing values in different variables and how we can replace missing values by any other value. And we will also discuss recoding variables of categorical variables. We can record different categorical variables with new codes. For example, if the code is in 1 and 2 and we can create in 0 and 1, we can make binary. And if we have a categorical continuous variable, we can convert that into a categorical variable using the record command. So we start again with the stroke data I have already uploaded here and use import pandas as PD and then read your data in CSV and then uh, uh, re, see first few observations using df.head command. So here you can check for missing values. Df, this is data frame name. If your data frame name is, for example, data frame, you want to give any name, and then you can even if you can click on this, you can see, you can view your data, you can generate your codes for this data set, and you can do anything using AI. So, but Uh, I recommend to use AI based codes, but you need to be careful while working on those codes. So you need to know basics of the coding and converting things and all that stuff before relying on a AI based code. So uh, we can see df is null means if there is a null value and then sum it will provide all the as number of missing observations for all variables. So you can see here I am just running this code and you can see for different variables we have zero number of missing values, but we have only in BMI we have 201 missing values. So the next step is we need to replace these values by Uh, for example, I want to replace mean BMI by those missing values whose BMI were not reported. So you can find the mean BMI, and that we can get using the pandas library as well as numpy library, and then uh, within this variable fill NA means in this variable we are filling NA with a mean BMI. If you want to, for example, if you want to keep 99 for all missing values, you can write 99 here. And then in place is equal to true means it will be placed for all missing values. And then I am just printing the missing values again. We are creating this table again to see whether there is a missing values in BMI or not. You can just check and see. So now we have no missing values. You can see. So this is what you can, how you can replace a value, specific value in your data set by any other value, or you can impute your missing values using mean or any other method you can do impute. And you can see now we can recode a variable with different codes. For example, if we are given a code of 1 0 or something in character type and we want to convert that into numeric values 1 0, then you can do using this command. You again need the pandas as PD. We need to import pandas library. Within pandas you have the variable I'm creating a variable stroke binary, and we have stroke status variable, and then apply function. Lambda means lambda x means we are creating we are converting x value 1 if x is equal to 1, means if the variable has value 1 we are giving 1, otherwise 0. So if you want to convert, for example, 0 to 1, you want to name 0 as 1 and 1 as 0, then you can write 0 here. X is 1 if x is equal to 0, and 1 otherwise. It will give 1 to zeros and zeros to 1. Or if you have 1 and 2, then you are giving 1 to 1 observations and 0 for 2s. So then you can we can print the variables and see the number of values, frequencies. You can just use value counts command. So it's giving, now you are giving 0 and 1. 0 means no stroke and 1 means with stroke. And then you can find the frequency tables and other things. And if we are given a categorical continuous variable, that is age, then you can convert that into different categories. So I want to, for example, I want to make a 4 category, 5 categories, uh, uh, 4 categories. Then I need to give these bins 0 starting value, and then first boundary, second boundary, third boundary, and then maximum value. And then I am giving the labels to each categories. First category 0 to 17, and 18 to 35, 35 to 59, and 60 plus. So it's including the lower limit. If you can see, 0 is included here, 18 is included here, and 35 is included here, and 60 is included. Yeah, so be careful while setting your bins. So bin is always will be included in the lower limit. And then the age group variable, the new variable, that is pd cut. You need to give pd cut command, and then your old variable, and then bins, that is we have already created, and then label, that is already we have already created, and then right is equal to false. It means you are excluding the right values, you are including the left values. It means the right values are not included in the code. And then display the value counts of the new age group variable. You can see the counts for new age group variable. So here are 5 groups, but the groups are not in order. You can convert it into order according to the labels. It should be in labels, but for now it's giving just 35, 60, and 18 to, and then 0 to 17. It's giving in order for largest frequency to the smallest frequency. So that's all about data recoding and checking for missing values. Again, you can take help of AI. If you want to make more complex codes, you can take the help of AI. But be careful while relying on AI based codes. You need to know each and everything about every command you are using AI. So that is important. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos on Python.